Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the top side hustles you can start in 2025. We're talking about the kind of side hustles that could make you enough money to buy a private island, or at least a really sweet car. We're gonna break down each hustle, show you how much money you can actually make, and give you the tips and tricks to succeed. This is your chance to become your own boss, set your own hours, and finally achieve financial freedom. Are you ready to start building your empire? Let's get right into it. First up, we've got freelance writing. This is perfect for all you wordsmiths out there. Businesses everywhere need help creating blog posts, website content, marketing materials, you name it. The best part, you can do this from anywhere in the world with a Wi-Fi connection. Picture this, you're sitting on a beach in Bali, sipping on a coconut, and getting paid to write. Not a bad life, right? And the earning potential? It's huge. The more you write, the more you can make. We're talking hundreds, thousands, even tens of thousands of dollars per month if you hustle hard. I know what you're thinking, but Mr. Beast, I'm not a writer. Listen, everyone's got to start somewhere. There are tons of resources out there to help you improve your writing skills. So what are you waiting for? Start building your writing portfolio today and get ready to watch the money roll in. Next up, we've got online tutoring, the perfect side hustle for all you brainiacs out there. If you're passionate about a subject and love helping others, this one's for you. With online tutoring, you can connect with students from all over the world and teach them anything from math and science to music and art. And the best part is, you can set your own rates and hours. Imagine this, you're helping a student ace their calculus exam while you're chilling in your pajamas. That's the beauty of online tutoring. Plus, the demand for online tutors is exploding right now. Parents are looking for affordable and convenient ways to give their kids an edge, and you can be the one to provide it. So dust off those textbooks, put on your thinking cap, and get ready to share your knowledge with the world. And make some serious cash while you're at it. Ever dreamed of starting your own online store but don't want to deal with the hassle of inventory? Well, that's where dropshipping comes in. It's like the ultimate shortcut to e-commerce success. Here's how it works. You create an online store and list products from a dropshipping supplier. When a customer places an order, the supplier ships the product directly to them. You don't have to touch a single product. This means you can start your own business with very little upfront investment. No need to rent a warehouse or hire a team of employees. You can run your entire operation from your laptop. And the profit potential? It's insane. You set your own prices and keep the difference between your selling price and the supplier's price. The more you sell, the more you make. So if you're ready to become an e-commerce mogul without the traditional headaches, dropshipping is the way to go. Chapter 4. Social Media Management. Become a social media guru. Let's face it, businesses need help with social media. They know it's important, but they don't always have the time or expertise to manage it effectively. That's where you come in. As a social media manager, you'll be the mastermind behind a brand's online presence. You'll create engaging content, schedule posts, run ads, and analyze data to help businesses grow their audience and reach their target market. The best part? You can do all of this from your phone. Well, maybe not all of it, but you get the idea. You can work from anywhere, anytime, as long as you have an internet connection. And the pay? It's pretty sweet. Experienced social media managers can command top dollar for their skills. We're talking hundreds or even thousands of dollars per month per client. So if you're a social media whiz who loves connecting with people and building communities online, this could be your dream side hustle. Chapter 5. Graphic Design. Turn your creativity into cash. Are you a visual person with an eye for design? Do you love creating logos, illustrations, and graphics that pop? If so, graphic design could be the perfect side hustle for you. Businesses are always on the lookout for talented designers to create marketing materials, social media graphics, website assets, and more. And the best part is, you can often do this work remotely. Imagine this. You're designing a stunning logo for a new startup while lounging in your pajamas. That's the beauty of being a freelance graphic designer. And the earning potential? It's huge. The more experience you gain and the better your portfolio becomes, the higher your rates can go. We're talking hundreds, thousands, even tens of thousands of dollars per project. So if you're ready to unleash your inner artist and turn your creative passion into a profitable side hustle, graphic design is the way to go. Chapter 6. Virtual Assistant. Be the ultimate business sidekick. Ever wished you had an extra pair of hands to help you with all the tasks on your to-do list? Well, that's exactly what a virtual assistant does for businesses. As a VA, you'll provide administrative, technical, or creative assistance to clients from remote locations. This could include anything from managing emails and scheduling appointments to creating presentations and handling social media. The best part? You can often set your own hours and work from anywhere with an internet connection. Need to take a break to walk your dog? No problem. Want to work from a coffee shop in Paris? Go for it. And the pay? It's not too shabby either. Experienced VAs can earn a comfortable hourly rate, and some even choose to work with multiple clients to maximize their income. So if you're organized, efficient, and love the idea of being the behind-the-scenes hero for busy entrepreneurs, becoming a virtual assistant could be your calling. Chapter 7. Affiliate Marketing. Earn passive income while you sleep. Imagine waking up to find out you made money while you were sleeping. Sounds pretty awesome, right? Well, that's the power of affiliate marketing. Here's how it works. You partner with a company and promote their products or services on your website, blog, or social media channels. When someone clicks on your unique affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. The best part? You don't need to create your own products or deal with customer service. You're simply connecting buyers with sellers and getting paid for your efforts. And the earning potential? The sky's the limit. Successful affiliate marketers can earn thousands, even millions of dollars per year in passive income. So if you're looking for a way to monetize your online presence and earn money while you sleep, affiliate marketing is definitely worth exploring. Do you have a passion for something you love to talk about? Maybe it's gaming, makeup, cooking, or anything in between. Whatever it is, you can turn that passion into a profitable side hustle through content creation. Start a YouTube channel, launch a podcast, or create a blog and share your knowledge, skills, and experiences with the world. The more value you provide, the more audience you'll attract. And once you've built a loyal following, you can monetize your content through advertising, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and even selling your own products or services. The best part? You get to be your own boss, set your own hours, and work on something you're truly passionate about. Plus, the earning potential is limitless. So if you're ready to share your voice with the world and build a business around your passions, content creation is the way to go. In today's tech-driven world, apps are everything. We use them to communicate, shop, play games, and so much more. And if you have coding skills, you can tap into this lucrative market and create your own app empire. Think of a problem you want to solve or an idea that could make people's lives easier. Then, use your coding skills to bring that vision to life. You could create the next viral game, a productivity app that takes the world by storm, or anything in between. The best part? You don't need a fancy office or a team of developers to get started. You can create an app from the comfort of your own home with just a computer and an internet connection. And the earning potential? It's astronomical. Successful app developers can make millions, even billions of dollars from their creations. So if you're ready to unleash your inner tech wizard and code your way to riches, app development is the perfect side hustle for you. Real estate has long been considered one of the best ways to build wealth, and for good reason. It's a tangible asset that appreciates in value over time, and it can generate passive income through rentals. Now I know what you're thinking. Mr. Beast, real estate is expensive. And you're right, it can be. But there are ways to get started with real estate investing, even if you don't have a ton of cash on hand. You could start by house hacking, where you buy a multi-family property, live in one unit, and rent out the others to cover your mortgage. Or you could explore crowdfunding platforms that allow you to invest in real estate projects with smaller amounts of money. The key is to do your research, understand the market, and invest wisely. With the right strategy, real estate investing can be a lucrative side hustle that sets you up for long-term financial success. Thanks for watching. I hope this video inspired you to start your own side hustle journey. Remember, the key is to choose something you're passionate about, work hard, and never give up on your dreams. If you found this video helpful, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And be sure to let me know in the comments down below which side hustle you're most excited to start. Until next time, keep hustling.